Did you know that most billionaires today follow the same pattern of making big money, and it's all for a reason? Because John D. Rockefeller once said, "The most stable thing in the world is the ability to make money in the right form. It is unshakable." Imagine you could earn any amount of money you could wish, for it may seem you can only dream about that, but today I will destroy this myth. Because if you go back to John D. Rockefeller and how he made his $1 billion, you'll find some revolutionary money skills to help you get rich still. Don't believe it? Then watch the video until the end and see for yourself. Welcome to the main channel on finance. If you dream of getting rich, then subscribe right now. John D. Rockefeller. John Rockefeller is the world's first dollar billionaire. Rockefeller contributed $2,000 to the startup capital of his first business. Of these, $1,200 he borrowed from his father, and in 1937, when Rockefeller died, his fortune was estimated at $1.4 billion. In today's realities, this would be $318 billion. For comparison, the wealth of the wealthiest men in the world, Elon Musk, is estimated at only $219 billion. After studying the biography of John Rockefeller in more detail, I've come to realize that the secret to his financial success lies in just a few key monetary skills. While you're giving this video a thumbs up, I'll reveal the essence of these skills. 1. Keeping track of your money. At the age of 7, Rockefeller earned his first money by helping collect potatoes and raise rabbits on a neighbor's farm. He diligently recorded every monetary transaction in a ledger, noting how much he received and how he spent it. This practice is analogous to the modern cash flow statement, a vital tool for monitoring business finances. Rockefeller maintained this meticulous financial tracking throughout his life, living to the age of 97. 2. Embrace financial literacy. Although Rockefeller came from a modest background, his mother instilled in him and his siblings the habit of counting every cent. Instead of pursuing a university education, he opted for a commercial college and accounting courses, which honed his love for numbers. This led to a successful career where his monetary knowledge laid the foundation for his future wealth. The key takeaway here is to invest in personal financial education. 3. Wise borrowing. Rockefeller demonstrated that borrowing wisely is a viable path to success. He borrowed funds to enter business ventures, and he continued to use borrowed money strategically throughout his career. Rockefeller wasn't afraid of loans, and his example shows that entrepreneurs need not avoid borrowing if they do so wisely. 4. Fulfill obligations. Rockefeller was meticulous about fulfilling his financial obligations, no matter how challenging the circumstances. His reputation for meeting financial commitments was impeccable, and it served as a guarantee for creditors. Thus, monitoring your credit history and maintaining a strong financial reputation is essential. 5. Calculated decision-making. Each financial decision Rockefeller made was calculated and thoroughly analyzed. When borrowing, he considered how and when he would repay the funds, what returns he could expect, and how to invest the borrowed money profitably. His investments were calculated to ensure they would lead to increased production, reduced costs, and higher profits. In conclusion, John Rockefeller's financial success can be attributed to the simplicity and accessibility of these key monetary skills. While they may appear daunting to some, those who can master them will likely achieve their financial goals. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing.